guys, we are back today to kind of do our last couple of assignments for our word problems. So this assignment especially, we're going to start combining 1- and 2-step word problems. So today, again, it's just 1 step, and then tomorrow we'll move on to 2-step. Again, the format of this assignment looks a little bit different than it did the rest of the week, and I have so much faith and confidence in you guys that you will be able to figure this out. But again, we're going to go ahead and do some example problems today. And I just want to remind you guys that I did put the clue word poster on here. That way you guys will be able to use that. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and move on to the first problem. And the first problem, again, you guys won't be able to use Google Read and Write with this, but I went ahead and recorded the problem. It's up here. All you have to do is hit play, and it will read it to you. Okay, but we're going to go ahead and figure out this problem. So the directions are that we need to write a number sentence for the problem, and we need to use this orange square for what we don't know, which is the answer. Okay, then we're going to solve the answer. Okay, so to fill out these boxes, you're actually going to drag the numbers and put them in the correct box, and then you're typing your final answer. Okay, so we're doing 2 different things in this one. Okay, so our problem is that Zach sees 60 cars, 36 of them are red, and the rest of them are blue. Okay, so I know this is either an addition or a subtraction problem. Okay, and I'm going to say it's probably subtraction. So I'm going to do 60 minus 36. Okay, and I'm going to come over here and I'm going to write this on my problem. I'm going to do 60 minus 36. I can't take away 6 from 0, so I have to come over here and I have to borrow. So 10 minus 6 would give me 4. 5 minus 3 would give me 2. So I know that there are 24 blue cars. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to do problem 2 for you. Okay, again, very, very similar. We're going to drag the boxes and type in our final answer. So I know that this one is either going to be an addition or subtraction problem. Okay, again, my directions are the same for this one, to write a number sentence for the problem and then use the orange square for what we don't know yet, and then we're going to solve. Okay, so my problem is that there were 43 ducks were swimming in a pond. 48 more ducks joined them. How many ducks are there now? Okay, so if I go back up here to my clue word poster, this isn't one that is in the addition column, but more would be an addition problem. Okay, so I know I'm going to start with my 43 ducks that were already on the pond, and then I know that 48 more ducks joined them, so that is an addition problem. Okay, so I need to do 43 plus 48. Okay, 8 plus 3 is 11, so I'm going to bring down my 1. I'm going to carry my other 1. 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. So I know that there are 91 ducks on the pond. Okay, so you're going to continue doing that for the rest of the problems. You will notice, though, that they did not give you the problems like they did, or the boxes, not the problems, like they did for numbers 1 and 2. That's okay, because they gave you the boxes over here. You just have to drag them over, okay, and just type in your final answer. Okay, so remember that all of these problems are one step. I'm pretty sure that they are all addition and subtraction, so there's no multiplication or division on this one. So try not to use a calculator to solve these. Try to just grab a whiteboard or a piece of paper and solve them by hand. Okay, make sure you hit submit when your assignment is done. But other than that, you guys are good to start working. Okay, I will see you in January.